All right, Excel scholars, we are going to do Excel Chapter 3, and that is the exercise that we're working on. And we have to download the start file. We are working on charts here, and the first thing we're going to do is to select the revenue by department, cells A4 through F4. It's going to be really important that you select exactly, so A4 through F4. And press Control, and then select A13 through F13. So A13 through F13. There we go. And click the Recommended Charts button. So it's on the Insert tab, Recommended Charts. And we're going to choose Pie and click OK. And instantly we have a pie chart. Now we're going to apply some styles to our pie chart. All right, we're applying chart styles. We're going to select the chart object, which is already selected. We're going to click the More button on the Chart Tools Design tab. And we're going to select chart 12. Let's see, style 6, 7, 12 right there. Now we're going to size and position it. So we are going to point to the chart object to display the move pointer and drag it so that the top left corner is at cell A21. So A21, top left corner. There we go. Point to the bottom right selection handle and resize and drag the pointer to cell G36. So this is G and then 36. So we're going to go G36. There we go. Now we're going to change the chart type. We're going to select the pie chart, which is already selected. And we're going to select the All Charts tab and choose Pie. So we've got the Change Chart Type button, All Charts tab, Pie. We want 3D Pie. So what is that? 3D Pie right there. And click OK. There we go. Got a 3D pie now. Now we're going to format some of the elements. So we're going to double click the pie to open its Format Data Series task pane. Format Data Series task pane is open. And we're going to click the Atlanta slice, and the Atlanta slice is the blue slice, to update the pane. Now we're going to click Series Options right here. And we're going to set the pie explosion percentage at 10%. Pie explosion, 10%. You could use a slider. Notice that it popped out that pie slice, and we're going to close the task pane and click the chart object border. So close the task pane, click the border to deselect that object. Now we're going to add and format chart elements. So we're going to click the Chart Elements button at the top right corner of the chart and select Data Labels. There. Chart Elements. Data Labels. Right there. Now we want to click the Data Labels arrow to open more options, and we're going to click the Label Options, More Options, and Label Options, and we're going to select the percentage box. Notice that it now includes the percentage, and we're going to deselect the value box. There we go. We're going to press Control B to apply bold. And we're going to change the font size to 12 points. All right, we're going to go to the Home tab, font size 12 points. Now we're clicking the chart object border. So that deselected the objects. We're going to click the Shape Outline button, Chart Tools Format tab, Format, Shape Outline, right there. And we're going to choose Purple Accent 4 Darker 50%. So Purple and Purple Accent 4 Darker 50% right there. Click the Shape Outline button and choose a weight of 1. Weight 1. And click a worksheet cell, which deselects everything. Now we're going to create a line chart. We're going to select the Atlanta Revenue tab and select cells A4 to E7, A4 to E7. There we go. And click the Quick Analysis button and choose Charts. Okay, Quick Analysis button, choose Charts. Then we're going to select Line. And we're going to click Move Chart button. So that's going to be in Chart Tools Design tab, Move Chart. And we want to click New Sheet. And we're going to call it Promo Departments or DEPTS. And click OK. There we go. We're going to apply a quick layout. We're going to click the Quick Layout button. So Chart Tools, Design tab, Quick Layout, Chart Layouts, Quick Layout button. We're going to choose Layout 5. There we go, Layout 5. Now we're going to change the chart type. We're going to click the Change Chart Type button. Change Chart Type. And we're going to select All Charts. And we are on the All Charts tab. We're going to choose Line with Markers in the Line category. So Line with Markers in the Line category. And click OK. Now we're going to edit chart elements in a line chart. So we're going to click the Chart Title placeholder right there. And we're going to type Special Promotion Departments. And you need to be really careful about spelling and about capitalization. And then we press Enter. Oh, in the formula bar. Haha, just kidding. We're going to click the vertical axis placeholder, type dollar sales in the formula bar. So the first one I did the way that I am accustomed to doing it, which is just simply double click it and type it in there. What it's telling us to do is to click it, type the title up here in the formula bar, and the title for this one is dollar sales, and then hit Enter, and then it puts it in. Oh, I spelled that well, didn't I? There we go. Dollar sales. Now click the Chart Elements drop-down arrow, Chart Tools Format tab, Format, Chart Elements. Okay, current selection group, and then right here we're going to choose Series Apparel to select that line in the chart. We're going to click the Format Selection button, Chart Tools Format tab, Current Selection Group, Format Selection. Now over here we're going to choose Fill and Line. There we go. We're going to click Marker, Marker Options, and we're going to choose Built-in and set the size to 10. Built-in, size 10. We're going to click the series option triangle at the top of the pane and choose the series baseball. There we go, series baseball. And apply the same marker changes for baseball. So built in, 10. Okay. Select the basketball series and we're going to apply the same marker changes there, built in and 10. Now we're going to insert Sparklines in the worksheet. We're closing the task pane and moving on. So we're going to click the Atlanta Revenue tab again. And we're going to right click the column F heading, column F, and we're going to choose Insert, Insert. We're going to select cells B5 to E18. So B5 to E18. There we go. As our data range, and then we're going to click the Line Sparkline button. That's on the Insert tab, Sparklines Group, Line, and select cells F5 to F18 for the location range, so F5 to F18. And notice that it already put the data range in because we had it selected, and then we click OK. There's our little Sparklines. Now we're going to format them. We're going to click the Format button, Home tab, Cells Group, Home tab, Cells Group, Format. We're going to set the row height to 24. We're going to click the Format button and set the column width to 35. Format, column width, 35. Select the Markers box in the Show group in the Sparklines Design tab. Design, Show group, and Markers. Markers. There we go. Click Sparkline Color button in the Style group, Sparkline Color, and we're going to choose Black Text 1. Black Text 1 right there. And we're going to click in cell A1. We're going to change the page orientation to landscape, and we're going to save and close the workbook. So we're going to page layout, orientation, landscape, and save and close. And that's the end of our project. So I'm going to close it. I'm going to click Upload my file. When I get there, I look at the time on my file, which says 1:13. You'll notice down here it's 1:14, so I know that that is the correct version of the file. Yes, submit the file. And I got 100% on that. So there you go. Do well. Watch your spelling and watch your capitalization.